So looking at your question here about editable checklists within an interface, the one that I think may work is your embedding a grid view, except for I think you can do it a little bit differently so it actually gives you the benefits of an interface. So if you set your data up with your tasks in one table and your events in the other table and then you link them, you can go into your interfaces and set up an interface where you can organize the events with the task list in here. And then when you pull this up, you can see the tasks here. And if you click on the tasks themselves, you can actually check or uncheck this box. You have to make it editable right here. So if I publish it, this is what it looks like. You click on a given event, it shows you the task. You can click on the task, and then you can say, oh, I'm done this task or I'm not. And then it shows here as well. And then you could also have a tasks view itself where you have it grouped by events, like so. Let me know if this will work for you.